Narrated by Al-Marur. At Rabada, I met Abuzar, who was wearing a cloth, and his slave too was wearing a similar one. I asked about the reason for it. He replied, I abused a person by calling his mother with bad names. The Prophet ﷺ said to me, O Abuzar, did you abuse him by calling his mother with bad names? You still have some characteristics of ignorance. Your slaves are your brothers, and Allah has put them under your command. So whoever has a brother under his command should feed him of what he eats and dress him of what he wears. Do not ask them to do things beyond their capacity, and if you do so, then help them. Hadith number 31, Sahih Bukhari.